guys, welcome back again to Homeschool and Adventure. If you're new here, I am AJ, a homeschool mom of 4 young kids. Their ages are 9, 6, 3, and 1, and we are on our 5th year into homeschooling. Here in our channel, we love to talk about our journey as a family, the curriculums and materials that we use, and our adventures outside with the bikes. We love to go on trails and tracks, and yes, we bring along all the kids, including our 1-year-old. So if you love to know more about that, please go ahead, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and click that bell so you always get notified, and like our videos. Today, I will be sharing to you how to teach kids science. Science is one of our favorite subjects. I think everybody would agree to that, even my husband, who I think knows more about science than me. And today, I will be sharing to you how I teach chemistry, beginning chemistry by The Good and the Beautiful. We have purchased 3 unit studies from them, and we have actually finished 2 of it, marine biology and space science. We had fun doing marine biology. They learned a lot about the animals, the plants, and the fungi that you find in the water. And the second one is space science. Space science is personally handpicked by my 1st grader, and I think it was by far our most fun unit study. Unit study, by the way, you can teach it with multiple kids. So I have a 4th grader, a 1st grader, and a preschooler, and everybody was just on board during our space science unit study. Even my husband helped us make a planetarium inside the room, if you know what I mean. And yeah, everybody just had fun. Right now, we're doing beginning chemistry from The Good and the Beautiful, and it was my 4th grader who picked it. And during the time that I was letting them choose the subjects or the topics that we're going to be doing with our science, it's all right. I was a little hesitant to purchase beginning chemistry because by the sound of it, it looked complex or hard to my little ones. And but my 4th grader really loves beginning chemistry. He knows his way around science in general, but I was still thinking about the little ones. And so, but when I checked the lessons inside, they're actually practical. You can teach it to kids, young kids in their level. Now, beginning chemistry is suggested to be taught to middle school kids, but I'm gonna make sure that it won't be very hard, or it won't be hard for you to teach chemistry with little ones. We've already finished doing the lesson 1, which is chromatography experiment, and that is where you separate erasable markers, colors, and find more colors inside. We use cups and waters and coffee filters, and overall they had fun during the time. And so the lesson 2 will be scientific method. I'm gonna tag you along during this entire video of how the kids learn chemistry, scientific method, while having fun. So let's go ahead and get started. Is a review of lesson 1. We have tackled about scientific method back when we were doing our chromatography experiments. And we are also going to be talking about lab safety rules, as well as the different personal protective equipments that scientists use. And the activity that we are going to be doing alongside this is our scientific method cutout, and this is something that the little ones really love. There's coloring, cutting, and pasting. And to give the kids an idea of our next lesson, which is scientific measurements, we are going to be doing a fun math activity from the level 1 of The Good and the Beautiful. And this is something that the kids can actually do together as a team. We are going to be using rulers, measuring tapes to measure objects and furnitures which we can find around the house. And my 4th grader will be leading the team. They love the idea that I've incorporated our bike rides with our lesson. Their dad has come up with these rules and signs and signals wherein to keep us safe, especially when we go to city rides and we need to cross the pedestrian or the traffic light, or when we go off roads.
They are also very aware of the importance of protective equipment since their dad is an emergency nurse, as well as we don't go outside with our bikes if we do not wear our protective gears.
Scientific measurement. So we are going to measure. Can you show me your worksheet? Jethro, what are we going to do today? You're going to show it to me.
Measure.
Okay, show me your worksheet.
Me too.
Okay, so we're going to be measuring
Stuff.
stuff. All right, let's go. Let's start first with a book.
That activity, the kids have still managed to do some writing and then reading from their favorite books as well as play.
That's it for today, guys. I hope you had fun tagging along with us as we did our scientific method from the beginning chemistry of The Good and the Beautiful. I really recommend the unit studies that they are making because I am able to blend all of my kids from 4th grader to 1st grader and preschooler, and so we recommend their unit studies, and we are going to keep on doing these. If you want to know more about us, please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't yet, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. We'll see you again on the next video. Bye.